USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page, right? That this ongoing, very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off is going to save entire human kingdom, all national governments. And it might look that I am signing civil justice for myself, but it is a multitasking itself. It's a wisdom. Okay. And again, one more time, I want to be on the same page. Yes, United States of American nation with fatal negligence created the poverty robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to I, and created financial disability to I, and also created financial debt to I, and that is the deadliest crime for a nation to enforce that, right? So when a nation never knows the fatal negligence is a disability, then civil justice jurisdiction, the healthiest discipline process can educate and guide a nation how a nation should be, should never enforce poverty for the civilians, and nation do not have any birthrights to enforce poverty for civilian and for a fellow mankind. Okay, so yes, that is why I am signing the civil justice for myself. For I am Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. So I hope you are all on same page on that end. So let me continue reading this civil justice sign off, so that in front of all nations, in front of all governments, in front of entire human kingdom, I sure will get the civil justice in a rightful way. Right? There should be an ethical, humane standards process that needs to be provided, right? So that way, all nations will be aware why USA is handcuffed mode, why USA is at fault and found guilty in all crimes of Vatican mode, right? And on the other side, I'm also displaying the true antichrist, who are the true health creators, who are the true poverty creators, right? So all in the name of God. Only people in the fanatic love of crown alone creating poverty, and that must be stopped, right? Because nobody asked for absolute monarchs, nobody asked for Pope crap, nobody asked for Queen Elizabeth crap, but then why on the earth then all the nations are allowing the deadliest wild endangered species to live free? So that means that itself displays the foolish disease of any nation, and that means United States of America got all the curses of the crimes of Vatican. So I am the only one who can bail out all the nations in the first place, right? So let me continue. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman King, Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So what is the scandal phases of this Republica, Europe nations worldwide is all about? This particular civil justice sign off and display of the true criminals to USA government. Republica, Europe nations as Italy Borsa, stock exchange companies worldwide. So that means the umbrella is Italy Borsa stock exchange, right? And that is the highest umbrella on the hierarchy of any stock exchange, you name it, be it Scotland Stock Exchange or Ireland Stock Exchange or London Stock Exchange or Germany Stock Exchange or France Stock Exchange or Turkey Istanbul Stock Exchange or Cairo Egypt Stock Exchange or United Arab Emirates Stock Exchange or Islam Nations Stock Exchange or Asian Nations Stock Exchange or even New York State Stock Exchange, right? The Dow Jones, they were all doing only stock exchange, right? So in the United States, if you name any stock exchange worldwide, they all fall under the umbrella of Italy Borsa stock exchange. So that itself is the proof how Pope Francis alone created the poverty for fellow mankind. He is the one who enforces the nations to create the robocall poverty mandate, my dear fellow mankind. That is why I am signing the civil justice for myself, right? So that way, Pope Francis cannot even run and hide. Got it? Because how many people have been fallen as a trap in the became victim of abuse in robocall poverty scandal alone. versus USA, and all nations are getting $1 billion and $1 trillion revenue out of it yearly. By providing this robocall scam alone, the nations are getting revenue out of it. So that is what Pope said. You create poverty for mankind and take luxury. Can you see how he provided the illusion to the foolish nations? Okay, if he says that the revenue will be creating richness for the nation, then United States of America should not be in $22 trillion deficit as of today, 2021. I think $22 trillion is just an approximate estimate. It should be more, not less, because COVID-19 scandal also jumped in, right? It also got intoxicated, right? So that means the deficit should be skyrocketing. At least I would say close to $100,000 trillion or something like that. So imagine how educated population only got fooled by Pope Francis, all in the name of God. He's always looked upon as very perfect, jumped from heaven mode, versus all the nations who provided all the scandal made to look at fault mode, and which is true, right? USA with fatal negligence only created poverty mandate to me. That is a fault mode. But in my book of civil law, I can see there is a little bit of dosage of innocence in the at fault USA nation. That is why I can only bail out USA. Nobody can. I can fix it. Hey, just give me the job offer. Just allow me to do the design solutions, and I can fix all the broken USA government operations. Is what I'm saying, right? Because there are 7.9 plus billions of humans. Harvard Law School is there. Harvard Medical School is there. And Oxford Law School is there. Oxford Medical School is there. These are the high level of very fancy education. That's why I'm just providing those four. But there are so many other educational facilities worldwide. Renowned facilities. People are shining in those educations as well. When I am handcuffing Harvard Law School and Oxford Law School, boom, all the education comes under that umbrella. Be it Princeton, be it Berkeley, be it MIT, right? Or you name it. In any state. Each state has their own renowned universities. All comes under that umbrella. So when I handcuff education system, everybody comes under that umbrella, be it Christian education, be it private, be it charter, anybody. Because nobody bothered to educate the broken government operations and slap the nations and to enforce them to provide only healthy government operations. It is a civilian's birthright to slap on the wrongful government operations, my dear fellow mankind, but nobody bothered to do it. Why? I'm not even talking about not educated population. They are absolutely innocent upfront, right? When educated population itself not able to understand the scandal of Vatican, please keep your hands on your heart and tell me how on the earth not educated population can even understand the scandal. Tell me. There are so many population, that means 95% of the population of each nation are not educated. They don't know to read. They don't know what is 1 plus 2 is equal to 2. And above that, some nations have more only aged population. Younger generation all died in the war crimes. And in some nations only younger generations are there, but no education is provided to them. Can you all see how imbalance is provided on purpose by this Pope Francis teams? Because they wanted everything to be on the tax organization chart. Just to drink the human blood in the form of tax alone they created. Are they humans? Are they humans? You tell me, my dear fellow mankind. How long? For how long the population have to undergo this torture? 500 long years passed. Right? How many people would have died and how many generations lost in this past 500 years? And they are so cunning, evil. They are just enjoying the sufferings of fellow mankind. See, there is that human part, right? Humans are born to live only to be human always. They just cannot tolerate injustice. They cannot hurt fellow mankind. But what does Pope Francis educating to the population and governments for a long time? hurt, create poverty. There is no other crime than to create poverty for fellow mankind. And why on the earth USA is just not getting it? Why? Why USA government just lost its mind and is making a mockery of the government operations? Why? There is very important crime that needs to be addressed, and stop it and burn it in ashes immediately means emergency medical services to be provided for the death penalty. Just get rid of the evil forces immediately. Why even bother to allow those evil forces to live even a second? I already said each second the Pope Francis teams are going to allowed to live free. The crime is skyrocketing and the curses for USA is increasing exponentially. Does USA even have any common sense? All the Republican government are foolish and all the Democrat government are foolish. They don't know what is the deadliest crime that is going beyond scenes. At least I am there to educate the wisdom, and why on the earth USA cannot even understand means that itself says that foolish will always be only foolish. They will not understand the wisdom. They will not see. That means President Joe Biden will not even understand why I am asking him to just get out of the White House immediately. Do you all know in the forefront, the chief of commander will command and they will say that just do it. Do not ask me any questions. Just do it. Means they have to follow the task immediately. Means only the chief of commander knows the importance, the severity to save the population. He'll be in a very pressurized mode. And for other people's eyesight, he might look so rude because he's asking, just do it, just come out. Just come out means that chief of commander is he knows everything. That is why he is so telling that task means the people should not even bother to ask and think for a while. So what is the USA government is doing? I am talking about a very, very important crime, deadliest crime that is going on, my dear fellow mankind. I do not want to, it's already 12 minutes, I do not want to increase more session, okay, I will keep reading it. So, that is it. So, where that all, how poverty, where poverty, when poverty, when I was working on that word Poverty Free Earth, end of the year 2030 volunteer project, the tiny bit of that little piece of that puzzle part, it traced right here. Right where Europe Nations Italy Borsa Stock Exchange facility, headquartered right beside St. Peter's Basilica in St. Seven Hills of Rome. So that says it what? You all tell me what that says what? See, there are communications, I already said silence is an excellent communication, right? Now tell me, there is a stock exchange, Italy Borsa Stock Exchange facility in Italy, maybe few blocks next to the Vatican. So that means, okay, I don't know about, I really don't know what exactly that stock exchange, the bonds, that processing and all, I have to learn. Okay, but then I'm talking about on a very high level. Just to find the root cause of the crime, I always need to know process, that is all. So now tell me, you all don't know what exactly Italy Borsa Stock Exchange is doing. Other than that, it is dealing with the dollars and currency worldwide. Okay, who else knows about that? I don't know, you all don't know. Okay, then how about non-educated population? They also don't know. Okay, how about God who created you and I from the dust? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, God just watches. But these foolish people, they think that God is not there, right? So they do all kind of a crap. But they got caught red-handed by me, a supreme cop. They never knew that one fine day, this Vedapriya, the wisest lady, will just like that seal the Italy Borsa Stock Exchange. Just like that. All of a sudden, abruptly, when they were not expecting. Mode means that is an excellent way of nailing down the crime. Got it? when they never expected, I just nailed it down. Now tell me who else knows the details of those. Is it you? No. Is it me? No. Is it USA government? No. Is it Republican government? No. Is it okay? How about President Trump? No. How about President Joe Biden? No. How about Democrat government? No. How about public sectors in USA? No. How about private sectors in USA? No. How about Federal Reserve banks? No. How about state banks and local banks? No. So that means nobody knows what exactly that crime that is going on in that facility. If you all see that facility, that I want to provide this testimony. Okay, I did not want to include that picture in my video clippings because it is more of an adverse way, right? It has a statue in front of the stock exchange with the adverse thing. You go and see for the image. And when I was working in Poverty Free Earth end of the year, I provided as part of the education only. When it comes to the education, I have to educate what are the adverse part of it and what is healthy part of it. And those are all the traces of crime that traced exactly. So that means, you tell me, who should have educated the Italy to take down that adverse statue? It is more of a F word kind of a thing in a, they use the, hands, right? Like that. The statue was built out of that only. So that means, tell me, who should have educated that Italy government to take down that adverse statue at the first place? Is it your job? No. Is it my job? No. Is it USA government's job? No. Is it Asian nations' job? No. Then whose job it is? Tell me, my dear fellow mankind. Queen Elizabeth II is called as what? God. She jumped from heaven, perfect Republica. She should have told. She never did that. She failed on that queen's job. She proved she is an absolute filth. Right? She is an absolute filth, my dear fellow mankind. And it is written on this Holy Bible, Revelation 18 chapter, that she is that. Okay? And can you all see? Can you all relate all the Revelation 18 chapter where it tells that out of prostitution alone, all the nations became fooled with the luxury provided by that her. That her is none other than Queen Elizabeth II. Okay, leave the queen part. She is a crap, she is a garbage, right? She is total filth, and she is a wild endangered species. Okay, she is an absolute sex offender after all. And she is not in the sex offender list. That itself is a crime. So let's leave that part. Okay, then who else? At least who else should have stepped in and guided the Italy government to take down that adverse statue right in front of the stock exchange building? Tell me. It should have been who? Okay, how about any of the presidents of USA? It's not their job, right? They already have lot of long list of tasks they have to work on. They do not have any time to go to Italy government and say, hey, take down this classified as a sex offense statute. Just take it out. They never told that. Okay. How about Harvard Law School and Harvard Medical School, or Oxford Medical School and Oxford Law School? At least they could have said. Right? Because they are the ones who know the physical anatomy of the human system, the genital organs of the men and the women, and what is adverse. What is adverse means? What is adverse sex functionality? Right? They know that. Right? So at least they could have sat side by side with Italy government and said, hey, this is absolutely filth. This is mocking the human kingdom, and it's classifying humans only as machines, sex machines. Please take it down. Like that, they could have educated. They never did that. Okay, then who else? You all know the Roman Catholic Christian education facilities, they are very, very strict in their education curriculum. You all know, right? Worldwide knows how strict the Roman Catholic Christian organization education systems will function. They are very strict in disciplining. At least they could have, like the Roman Catholic fathers, Roman Catholic nuns, right? They could have, because they are wearing that burqa, that nice, fancy burqa clothing, they could have came and sat down side by side with Italy government and educated, hey, this is absolutely filth, right? This is polluting the human kingdom and it's also destroying human brain nerve cells. Please take this sexual immorality, damaging human brain statue down in ashes. They could have told. They never did that. Okay, just leave them alone. How about the sex abusers, the sex offenders, blah blah blah, or Las Vegas, Sin City population or entertainment population? They are all filth. They are living in only prostitution, right? At least they could have, because they all know the what to say, the designers for clothing, perfume, everything in Europe, like France and Italy are famous for those, right? So Hollywood population, the Oscar winners, the actors, the comedians, all go there. They run to Italy every year or every other year. At least they could have said to the Italy government, Italy government, yes, we all fall in trap in the slavery of prostitution in the name of entertainment. But at least, this adverse statue that's right in front of Italy Stock Exchange is absolutely filled. Please take it down. They could have said. But they never did that. Okay, leave that population also aside. Then who else should have or could have sat and educated the Italian government to take down that adverse sexual immorality statue, which directly says that humans are sex machines? That is wrong, right? So who should have told? Okay, how about Hindu gods? How about Islam gods? See, they are all pagans. We all know that they are a paganism. Okay, just leave the non-Christians alone. Okay, how about devil worships? Or how about spirit? You leave all those. Then who else stands in the first in the line that should have sat down next to the Italian government and immediately burned that statue in ashes? Who? It is Pope Francis, the Roman province, Jesuits leader, the Vatican leader. Pope Francis has all the rights and he must have sat side by side with the Italian government. How long will it take for him to walk away from that palace to this Italy Stock Exchange? I would say rather 5-10 minutes, not even that. He could have just walked like a nice sunny day, because they do not have snow, very snow here and there. But okay, even if it's a very cold weather, he could have wear a fleece jacket and just walked cool on a sunny day, nice walk, right? And just went side by side with the Italian government and asked them to burn that statue in ashes on that spot. He never did that. Why? Can you all get the true criminal I am displaying with all my civil justice sign off? It looks as if I'm signing out for myself, but it is indeed a lot of wisdom behind it. Got it? So that means, tell me, what is President Joe Biden going to do about that? See, his blood boiling part is a normal part, because even Republicans, everybody's blood is boiling. So that's how by default President Joe Biden's blood also will be boiling. We all know that. But he's helpless more. Because the stock exchange, Italy Stock Exchange Borsa, has absolutely a filth, sexual, immoral statue right in front of that stock exchange, and USA is a part of that Italy Borsa. USA, New York Stock Exchange, is dependent on the Stock Exchange of Scotland, Stock Exchange of Ireland, Stock Exchange of Germany, Stock Exchange of France, Stock Exchange of Istanbul, Stock Exchange of United Arab Emirates, Stock Exchange of everything. I already said USA is only providing the fund, and Islam nations are using the war crimes as a way to get the funds. They are total filth after all. Now tell me, this was the last piece of the puzzle, my dear fellow mankind. I was just working on only where poverty, how poverty, where root cause, right? Boom. At one point of time, I was working on wherever there are sources, I was hitting on each and every sources, and that's how, that is a healthy, affordable, measurable, traceable, iterative approach to find the root cause and provide the risk mitigation process and eliminate and eradicate that error. Okay, it is an excellent triage process. So they never knew, the Pope Francis never knew that my brain, God will give me the wisdom to analyze all the stock exchanges. So when I was cracking down all the scandal, crime by crime, last I was left out is only the stock exchange. So now we all got it, right? USA is the richest nation. Africa is the richest continent in the whole entire planet. Asian nations all are richest. Russia is richest. But then how on the earth each continent and each nation is having at least one poverty civilian means that is the deadliest crime a nation can provide. And where is the root cause? Everywhere tracing to. Oh my gosh, it's tracing only to National Italy Borsa Stock Exchange. Now, the Revelation 18 chapter in Holy Bible, go read it. And I will provide that overview of the entire chapter. It says what? Out of prostitution. Prostitution means what, my dear fellow mankind? It is just fooling mankind, that's all. You have to fool first. Step one is you have to fool mankind. Second, you have to provide a mousetrap when fooling. Right? And the people who are getting fooled should not see that there's a mousetrap. That is the technique. And then when they fall in the trap, in the mousetrap, boom, that's all. The chains of slavery, hatred, discrimination all get chained on their legs. And they cannot come out of that mousetrap. Now tell me, what is USA government going to do? Its finance level has been crashed. Are they going to come out of the Italy Stock Exchange? Tell me, is it possible? All the banking sectors will be crashed in less than 1 second. USA became frozen. Don't laugh about the movie called Frozen. Let it go like that. No, we cannot let it go because this crime is so deadliest. It needs to be burnt in ashes. It needs to be burnt in ashes. So that is a proof. How many nations fall in trap in this scandal? Deadliest scandal. And without fixing this, how on the earth President Joe Biden can even coolly laugh out and say he can fix everything? And he in fact told that he can eradicate COVID-19. He cannot. But I already said January 25th itself I eradicated COVID-19. And that is the truth. Tell me what is Dr. Brinkman, Dr. Fauci going to say about that? Hey Dr. Fauci, hey Dr. Brinks, what did you learn in your anatomy of the system? Were you not got educated that about the adverse sex disability? And why on the earth they never educated the Italy government to take down that adverse sex statue in ashes? Are they humans? But they were very keen on marketing the mask for the population to get the $1 trillion tax revenue to be pocketed on their pocket to get the salary. But they never bothered to educate that Europe, Italy, Borsa Stock Exchange should take out that adverse sexual immorality statue in ashes. Why they didn't do it? Because Pope Francis, do you all know the real meaning of the statue behind? I educated my dear fellow mankind. Be patient. I educated that statue is an indirect way of saying that Pope Francis will destroy holy marriage law for only tax mandate. That is why the statue was built. Got it? And that traces to why all the 7.9 plus billions of humans mandated to get married, wrong humans. Everything was created only for tax. So emotional level he destroyed, feelings level he destroyed, memories level he destroyed. Imagine how many population will be in a too much of emotional torture being ever they got married to the wrong humans after all. Then they should not have married wrong humans in the first place. And all without awareness. All without awareness. And yes, they have to pay the price, and yes, and yes, and yes, my fellow mankind, this Pope Francis and his teams will be thrown in volcano and be gone in ashes. And I can take care of all the adverse statues worldwide, and I know how to take them down in ashes. I will do it. When nobody bothered to do it in entire human kingdom, when 500 years of time frame was given, I can do it. I step in, I'll provide what guidelines to be done, what to be done. It's a disability to have an adverse sexual statue, nude statues. If you go to Germany, you will see only nude statues everywhere. Because they mock the men genital organs, and they mock women's genital organs. Because they are filth. They are Islam. They are absolute Islam, Judaism. They do not believe in God. They do not believe in the God's creation. They do not know that human creations are holy. That is why this World War II, everything came, and you all know the Holocaust, what happened. Holocaust thing was lovers got separated, people were mandated to have sex with wrong people, and LGBTQ was one of the root cause to create the LGBTQ and polygamy. People were enforced to be polygamy. People were enforced to be lesbians. People were enforced to be gays. How much of torture they would have underwent. And on top of it, all the sexual internal genital organs was mandated to be removed. Both men and women should have cried, don't do that. And they enforced and did that anyways. And then the doctors also created hormonal disorders to create transgenders. It's a chromosomal disorder after all. But how many people mock at transgender? Because for a lifetime, their life is destroyed. And sadly, not even one national benefit provided to them. It's deadliest crime, my dear fellow mankind. Who created all this hell? Pope Francis. And why on the earth USA and all nations are allowing the deadliest devil to live free? Why? Why? So, I will get the civil justice my way. You wait and watch and see. Wait and watch and see. Okay? Yes, it went a little bit longer, but I will make sure the other sessions are short. Okay? You all got it why I'm super frustrated and super mad at USA. Foolish USA nation. They are fearing that all their finance services will crash down. But I am saying, hey, don't fear, foolish USA. Let the broken services keep working for a while. Like when people are there in the household, what happens if the dishwasher breaks? Or what if the air conditioner breaks? And people have to deal with it, live with it for a while until it gets fixed, like a family. Like that, as a team effort, yes, have all the broken services keep working one side. On the other side, create a new team. Create a new software line of codes. Create everything new. So that means the job opportunities will be more, doubled. One side already broken services population will be working. One side new people will be getting into the new workforce. Means how much of healthy jobs are created worldwide. Because talent should never be gone wasted, my dear fellow mankind. And even that was enforced by Pope Francis only. Unemployment was created by Pope Francis. There should never be any unemployment benefits, services, programs in any nation. Is the wisdom. That itself is wrong. I already said people should never have to go to work. No. It should be their choice, individual choice to go to work or not. Nobody can force or nobody can do anything. So I know how to provide all the solutions. When Department of Children's Services broken, Health Services broken, Agriculture broken, everything broken, you turn around 360 degrees, population does not get any help. Any help. They are still running with the broken systems only. And I'm saying what? Let it be there, means that is a healthy process, because I can understand the pain of the population if all this organizations sealed and shut down, means they will be, population will be tortured. They will not have food to eat on their dinner table daily to feed their families and children. At least a glass of organic milk, at least one organic fruit, at least one organic vegetable, at least one organic slice of bread for carbohydrates, for healthy carbohydrates, for healthy fats, for healthy minerals, vitamins. Everything is needed for the humans to survive, to live. But they are not providing that pathway also, because they do not want the population to get healthy foods from the grocery. So why, when they are going to eat the non-conventional foods, they will get sick. They will go back to hospital. And pay tax. Even for getting disease, they have to pay tax and get disease. They have to go to grocery, pay tax and get the hormones injected milk, hormones injected vegetables and eat, and then they have to become cancer patient. Then they have to run, and they will not be able to pay the medical bill. They will die out of that stress alone. This has been going on forever. National governments were not able to figure out the root cause. I figured out the root cause. Now, US is the one happiest nation in whole entire world, planet Earth. Only left is they have to sign off the job offer to me immediately. Now tell me, what is President Joe Biden going to do about that? Because his United States of American Stock Exchange organization is wrong. Absolutely wrong. For how long? Forever wrong. And what medical compensation President Joe Biden going to do about that? Can he stand upside down and pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian dollars for the stock exchange scam provided? Can he? I do not want to put that much stress on President Joe Biden, who is already in the retirement age. I know President Trump and President Joe Biden are in the retirement age, and they should not be even going through all this kind of a crap. Because this crap is crap created by Pope Francis. Pope Francis should take all the accountability. I already said whatever that impeachment, everything is crap, my dear fellow man. Everything is garbage. It all needs to be flushed out in the toilet. Just ignore it. Just do whatever I ask for the task. Means have President Joe Biden go back to his hometown, enjoy his retirement life. I do not want President Joe Biden to get any more scars. And this one is the deadliest crime. And he will only puke pus when being aware, oh my gosh, United States of American nation itself fallen trap in the hands of Antichrist Pope Francis. They cannot run away, because there are how many states? 10 states that have the Roman Province Justice Organization, Satanic organization. They cannot run away, because Federal Reserve Bank has been designed and funded by Pope Francis. They cannot run away and hide. President Joe Biden cannot run away and hide. All the banks, be it federal banks, state banks, they are in crying mode, because they know all their organizations got shattered in pieces. Every single software line is wrong. Imagine how much of torture they have to undergo through. All the loan processing wrong forever. There is not only one loan. See, I already educated. PPP loan is a scandal. It's a scam. All the richest people only were getting those loans. All the homeless never got it. Because in the logic, in the software logic, they write only the employed and who paid tax only can get the loans.
Even for unemployment benefits, whoever paid tax only can get the unemployment benefits. Who created that scandal? Pope Francis. Got it. So who can fix all the broken systems, my dear fellow mankind? You all keep your hands on your hearts and tell me. Only me. Right? So for that, what should USA should do now to save the entire human kingdom? Without any delay. Immediately sign off the job offer to me. Right? And please understand, when the people are infected with foolish, they cannot understand. So I'm non-stop educating why on the earth USA lost its mind. Because foolishness blinds the eyes forever. They are worshipping God, Pope only as God. Their brain will not work at. He only destroyed stock exchange, imports, exports, processing as well. Can you all imagine the severity of this crime I'm talking about? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, President Joe Biden should resign. And that is the healthiest human standard bailout process I can provide. He was there in his lawmaking process for how long? I already said he should have his bloodline from either German or Ireland or Scotland or London even. Then at least in that way he should have heard that voice or the name called Italy Borsa Stock Exchange in his entire lifetime. He should have stood up, right? Being a lawyer, being a lawmaker, he should have slapped the Italy government and made that adverse sexually immoral statute to be taken down in ashes. He never did that, my dear fellow mankind. And if you are saying most of the nation leaders are men only, they are telling they are the only excellent caregivers. No, they are not. They are the filth creators after all. They are the ones who treat women as sex machines. They are the ones who treat men as sex machines. So why on the earth President Trump is innocent? You all know why, right? That is why. I don't even have to give more explanation of why, about why like that. Pope Francis, God of USA, he is a deadly sex offender. And President Trump is innocent. And President Joe Biden is less innocent. Right? That is the truth. So USA have to digest the truth. So if they are going to continue with the impeach trail or whatever that law verbiage is, entire nation will be only laughing at the USA, foolish USA nation. Why on the earth even USA nation have to spend that much of cost and dollars in impeaching when during this severe COVID-19 crisis that's going on? Already they are being so selfish. They displayed that they are selfish nation, USA. Who asked for Super Bowl game and the festival? You tell me. If President Joe Biden his family is undergoing this COVID-19 crisis or poverty or anything or loss, will he be in a position to celebrate the Super Bowl? So that itself shows he is never a caregiver. He's not even a man. He's not even considered in the classification of a human. How evil can he be? How shameful or shameless can he be? Right? How? You all tell me how, my dear fellow mankind. I already said when COVID-19 crisis hit, the first true wisest person should have said, hey, let's forgo this elections for this year. Let's fix this COVID-19. Means that is the healthy process. And I'm saying only that. Even now I'm saying what? I want to be only the interim leader of USA. Because when everything is broken, I cannot even enjoy being a leader of USA. I'm super mad at whatever broken. First fix it. Without fixing, I cannot. So I am saying the wisdom ways. A true woman should lead the nation. Because the nation will be guided and directed only in the wisdom ways. President Joe Biden is going to create more havoc, more deadliest destructions to USA, my dear fellow mankind. Please, for heaven's sake, pray to God and just ask Him to get out of the White House. He has to only fall down on knees and ask forgiveness from the God. That is all he has to do in his, for at least for a while. I don't even know whether God will forgive President Joe Biden or not. So yes, what is the civil justice? I have to provide this overview, so it went a long time. So please bear with me, okay? Europe nations as Italy Borsa, stock exchange companies worldwide. Oh my gosh, this moment when people are listening, will listen to my live testimony. Be aware, you name any finance services, any classification, all crashed in pieces, as predicted in Revelation 18th chapter in Holy Bible. They never educated, USA Republican can never enforce poverty. Italy Stock Exchange Borsa Company, they never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty. To I weigh the Priya Prosi, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge. And it is a fatal negligence of Europe nations as in Italy Borsa Stock Exchange companies worldwide. So to be fatal negligence, either USA government should say no, Swiss Republica, Europe nations, Italy Borsa Stock Exchange companies worldwide. Medicaid, Medicare is crime. Now imagine next level of the crime. They have been working with Italy Stock Exchange government fundings. So crime is increasing exponential. What is President Joe Biden going to say about that? Medicaid is crime one. Crime two, the Medicaid operations, the fundings are given only by the Europe nations, Italy, Borsa Stock Exchange. What is President Joe Biden going to say about that? Crime three, there is an adverse sexual immorality mandated to mock human genital organs as a mockery, and they created a statue out of that right in front of the Italy Borsa Stock Exchange, and that is crime level 3. And how on the earth Medicaid process have been provided when there is a adverse statue right in front of the Italy Borsa Stock Exchange, when all the fundings of the Medicaid were provided by Italy Stock Exchange under the governance of Pope Francis. Can you all see? Can you all see why Hewlett Packard is they must be only locked down in jail forever until I step in and bail out them? They got billion-dollar contract from federal government to provide the Medicaid, Medicare. Wrong. I will only seal and shut down Hewlett Packard. I say just get out. They were looking at the billion-dollar Medicare, $1 billion of funding they got in their pocket. The CEO should have got his $1 million package. And they don't bother about the civilians. And civilians have to pay the tax. They should not pay the tax. No. Tell me, what is President Joe Biden going to say about those 3 deadliest crimes? Three deadliest crimes. The statue they built right the right in front of that Italy Stock Exchange building in Italy, Rome, Vatican, right in front of that stock exchange building. The statue is so filth. Okay. And people have to walk past that statue. How many people would have taken pictures thinking that statue is so good when it is a mockery of humans are only as sex machines and will destroy holy marriage no matter what. That is what the statue up front says. And that is why this stock exchange was also created in the first place. Way long time back. Way before USA was created, meaning this filth was long time back. It's just that they want to make it legal. It's just that they want to make it organized and, you know, make it legal. Now, can you all get it why there is no Department of Religion in any of the national operations? Because immediately population, the government will ask, oh, why, what happened to the Pope Francis? Why he never asked that filthy statue to be removed? Then he will be thrown in, he would have been thrown in the volcano. But he became free. Now he cannot. Now he cannot. I just handcuffed Pope Francis and threw him in the front of all the nations. All nations during the quarantine mode, lockdown mode, are just witnessing the true criminals. That is enough. That's absolutely enough for USA to just throw Pope Francis and the teams in the volcano in Hawaii. Who are them to destroy human emotions level they destroyed, my dear fellow mankind? All for the sake of tax, all for the sake of dollars, all for the sake of fanatic love of crown. Are they humans? They are wild, endangered human species, deadliest sex offenders. Now tell me, for how long there is sex offender registry in the United States of America and all nations worldwide? Forever, right? Why on the earth President Joe Biden never threw Pope Francis stamped him as a deadliest sex offender and threw him on the sex offender registry? Why? Why President Joe Biden never threw Queen Elizabeth II as a deadliest sex offender and threw her in the sex offender registry? Why? He's a lawyer, right? Don't you all think that I can even revoke his lawyer license right now? But I do not want to do that. I want President Joe Biden to live free, to see why God is God always, all the time. I could easily ask President Joe Biden, go take your place in federal prison, Mr. Joe Biden, like that. I do not want that. No, that's not civil justice. I want him to be free, and I want him to witness why God is God always, all the time. Why Republican government never threw Queen Elizabeth as a deadliest sex offender? Why? What went wrong in education system? You all got it. Who is the deadliest sex offenders, sexual assaulters, sexual harass providers are only Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and all the Islam leaders and Dalai Lama yoga gurus. And I never asked for any of those crap in the earth. Who gave authority to even allow those deadliest wild and endangered species to live free? They should not be living free. Each microsecond they are allowed to live free. It is dangerous to any nation at this point of time because root causes identified. Just throw them, burn them in the ashes. Let them be gone. Why USA lost its mind? Why? Why, my dear fellow mankind? Why? All the amendments, wrong. All declaration of independence, wrong. All pledge of allegiance, wrong. In the name of Republica means what? In the name of prostitution. That's what the pledge of allegiance says. But people are thinking Republica means very holy, holy word. No, Republica means prostitution. That is the cue I'm providing. Republica, 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 Republica means not even one nation is a democrat nation. Is the wisdom. They're telling, oh, India is a democrat nation. Oh, no. USA is a democratic nation. No. Can you all see how even Democrat government of USA handcuffed with the deadliest crime? They have been fooling people in the name of democracy. But USA is a purest form of Republican nation after all. Republica means what? Islam, Judaism, Jainism means what? Deadliest sexual immorality. They live, eat, breathe, wear the clothing, even roll on the road only with the sexual immorality. They'll just mock a holy marriage law. They hate innocence. If you are going to talk about innocence, they will just take away the innocence first and they'll say, okay, I remove the innocence, now what? Like that they will mock. They're super foolish people. So then that means USA wanted only a toughest police like I am to discipline those population, right? Because all I will do is just stand having cane in my hand. That is all for the discipline. I will not even say a word. Just by seeing me alone, all the abusive disease will be gone in ashes. A person should be so toughest, just by seeing that person itself, the discipline should be provided. Just like looking at that person itself. Because that is how excellent, supreme, heaven way of discipline should be provided. Not by hitting, not out of control, not out of fear, the discipline should be provided. No. People should know their responsibility, accountability, and then when they know the healthy guidance, then that's all is needed. I do not even have to go back of each of people and say, are they sexually immoral or they are not, like that. No. People should choose only wisest choices no matter what, even when the temptations are given in their hands. Right? So USA has to sign the job offer immediately to me. I only can discipline these foolish people. I already said, I can heal and cure any diseases in this world. Just by seeing me alone, all the foolish people will be healed. Just like that. And be wisest. Just by seeing me, just by running side by side me alone. That is already known to only Babylonians. These people who live in sexual immorality, they know the true attribute of a true Israelite Christian Jew, my dear fellow mankind. That is why they wanted to ban the people to talk to the true Israelite Christian Jew, because they do not want the population to be wisest. Because the moment they are running side by side with the true Christian Israelite Jew, they'll become even the foolish or abusive of any kind. Be a killer, murderer, homicide, sexual immorality, sexual sex offender, right? Serial killer, cannibal. All will be healed just like that. By running side by side with this wisest true Christian Israelite Jew alone. Just by running means they don't even have to talk to get healed. So how much of revenue that can be saved when USA just signs job offer to me alone. You name all the 100% of diseases. Count by count, I eradicated already. I provided all the tasks on how to eradicate it. I even provide the time frame on how the cancer to be eradicated by 2044. There will be no more new transgenders created by the year of 2044 or 45. Like that, I provided all the tasks and people are working on it. Speed soft, and they are just waiting for my next task to be provided. They know I can only provide the design solutions. So why on the earth this USA foolish nation is not allowing me to provide the wisest wisdom ways? Why? Because they want all the population to be foolish. They want to add tax. Without tax they cannot live. And I am even saying, hey, I am an excellent tax collector. Allow me that reform also. I will also provide the guidelines how to provide the tax. Means they should know. USA should not be even waiting. All the nations are having competition. They all want only I to be their national leader. They all want I only to be the supreme civil judge for all their nations. And why on the earth USA being foolish enough? It's because of the foolish, it's not understanding. The crime is so deadly, as my dear fellow mankind. No. President Joe Biden sure will resign immediately. Any second. Right? It's okay. If population are going to hate me for that, that's okay. That's okay. Because I am providing excellent discipline. This is how I will provide. That's my way. I will have cane only in my hand for discipline. That is all for the discipline. Nothing more or nothing less. When I'm saying get out of the White House, go to your hometown, Delaware, enjoy your retirement, that is a discipline, bailout, everything comes under that, provided to President Joe Biden. Don't get any more cursed, because I am in a disciplining process. Do not get out of that way when I'm disciplining the providing the discipline means I do not want President Joe Biden get more curse. Just do not be fool anymore. That's what I'm conveying in a healthy human standards. So what is the classification of this crime that provided by Italy Borsa Stock Exchange companies that needs to be sealed and shut down indefinite until I step in and provide the healthy solutions? Comes under the domestic violence. And for that adverse sex symbol statue in front of the thing, that is another 500,000 trillion dollars of scam. Oh yes, nobody who destroyed USA operations, they will face the wrath of God of true Christianity. They will. And it comes under the breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and trespass to order. Now you got it. Why that Italy Stock Exchange never educated Republican government to never provide poverty to me? Because it was built out of that only. It was created to create poverty only. Nobody knew. Nobody knew why Medicaid was crashed. Nobody knew why finance services is crap. Right? Loan, why people are tortured with getting loan processing and forever they have to pay only the loan. Dying pure out of poverty. Nobody knew why people have to die with this long list of costly medical billing. To enforce a costly billing for a cancer patient is a deadliest crime. Because how much of torture that cancer patient has to undergo through chemo, lose out his entire hair, or the skin color changes out of that. When the chemotherapy or the laser therapy is provided, the skin color changes. They have to live with it. They have to lose their organs and live with it. Thus, why humanity got destroyed. You all know why humanity got destroyed. It is Italy who destroyed the humanity, and Italy has to pay the price. Italy has to pay the price. They cannot live free. And you all know, in France, in the name of cosmetology, in the name of beauty, they have nude beauty pageants. In the name of that, they only treat women as sex machines. And people watch that. And Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks never educated that is wrong. Versus they were marketing for COVID-19 mask as if that mask only will heal and cure anything. That itself is a candle in a scandal. What is Dr. Brinks and Dr. Fauci going to say about that? Where France provides nude beauty pageant programs in televisions or radios or wherever it is, or in the media. In the name of modeling. And they have to have those codes. Only then they can be a modeler. Otherwise they cannot be. That means at the cost of losing their dignity, they have to be in the modeling thing. Why? Why humanity failed? In what ways those people in the modeling field, in the entertainment field, right, like movies are less to the regular civilians? Tell me. Why nobody knew in the whole entire earth that entertainment population and the modeling population are average civilians who also have emotions, feelings, memories, but they have to lose everything to be on those professions. But they'll get all the luxury. Their mansions and the housings are millions and millions of dollars. Some even no. And that they will be having provided all luxury. So that is what Pope Francis will say, yield to sexual immorality, get luxury. When people are not yielding to sexual immorality, all the national benefits will not be given. Can you see how in the name of God he destroyed everything? He will be thrown in the volcano. Wait, watch and see. No. I am there, my dear fellow mankind. I am enough. I am enough to save the 7.9 plus billions of humans. One soldier is enough. So that means all the army, navy seals, all can be shut down. They can go back to your home. They can go back to their home. I already said I finished everybody's job. One soldier is enough to take care of 7.9 plus billions of humans, period. So yes, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. Republica, Europe, nations as in Italy stock exchange, companies worldwide. You name Germany. So that's why I'm saying everybody will be in panic mode. You name Australia, you name New Zealand, you name Malaysia, you name Singapore, you name Brunei, you name any of the African nation banks, you name any of the European stock exchange, South American stock exchange, Mexico stock exchange. You name anything. They're all in a panic mode because Italy Borsa Stock Exchange is the umbrella and everything comes under that umbrella. And you all got it. Medicaid is a scandal, is proved. COVID-19 scandal is proved. Right? Can you all trace it now? I filed a lawsuit against all nations for $50,000 trillion, means USA for $50,000 trillion, London for $50,000 trillion. And Department of Health Services for $500 billion. They cannot escape paying that dollars to me. No. Department of Health Services have to stand upside down and pay $500 billion to me immediately. Because this crime is so deadliest and they just overlooked it. Why? Because they all got fundings only from Pope Francis, from Italic Stock Exchange only. And whatever is predicted in Holy Bible is happening now. In one day, the Babylon nation will be gone in famine. Which is a Babylon nation as of today? USA. And who can bail out? Who can bail out this USA, being the poorest nation as of this moment? I only, my dear fellow mankind. My blood is boiling because I own USA. Each dust in USA belongs to me. And I just cannot tolerate that how on the earth this evil, selfish Pope Francis destroyed USA and all nations worldwide for the sake of tax. That is wrong. Crime. In the name of God. In the name of religion. They destroyed everything. In the name of fanatic love of crown. I will only provide ban of $500 billion for civilians who loves to address Pope as God and Queen Elizabeth as God. I will say first pay $500 billion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions for next 500 years, and then work on how to worship those Pope Francis as God means. That is an excellent civil justice signed off right there. Because when to discipline a foolish population, there needs to be a structured way to provide. Because they just cannot understand what is the wisdom I'm talking about. So with fatal negligence, they only failed to educate USA. This Italy Borsa Stock Exchange failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica, USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, enforced poverty to I and took away $4,500 abruptly. So that means Italy Borsa Stock Exchange educated, hey, Republica, President Trump and teams, take $4,500 from Vedapriya because she is the one who is educating population should not pay any tax in any form, nations should not collect tax. So let's crucify Vedapriya. That's how they educated and that's how they provided that. And the finance debt is $10,210.38 since October 2018, 2019, 2020. And my age is middle age. I'm marching towards retirement. And do you all think that I need to have this emotional torture because of this finance debt? That's also not my fault. It's a fault of USA after all. And yes, they have to pay the price for whatever damages they have done to me. What I already said, what would Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell would have done if the same $4,500 removed from him and made him to be in an unemployment mode, no bank accounts got freezed, and also finance debt of this much amount. What would he have done? What would he have done? Mitch McConnell or Brett Kavanaugh or President Trump would have done? Or what if the same thing would have happened to any of his family members? They would have slapped on their face, right? In what way I am less to them? You all tell me, in what way I am less to them? When I was only educating wisdom, according to the Holy Bible guidelines, according to the civil justice law, only I was educating only wisdom, nothing but wisdom, my fellow mankind. And I already said every nation wanted me only to be supreme judge. He stole my job. Now imagine if only I would have signed the job offer, the Supreme Court judge job offer in October 2018. Imagine how much of a healthy salary I would have got, and I would not even been in this kind of a finance crisis mode. So who is going to pay for that damages done? My age is gone, emotional torture. Why basic humanity is lost in USA nation? Why? Who gave that authority? A civilian cannot say that they are very proud as being fatal negligence. They are very proud as that they can be only, no, that they do not even have any birthrights to be like that. That means President Trump do not have any birthright to be fatal negligence. He cannot say proudly that he loves to be fatal. No, he cannot. He do not have any birthright. That itself is a crime. So what does the civil justice serve to me for all this damages done to me? Yes, I, Vedapriya Pro se, according to the Holy Bible civil justice guidelines, I want United States of American Citibank CEO to pay off my debt in full, $10,210.38, and then also direct transfer $4,500 to my bank account, immediate. And each of Europe nations, as in Italy, Borsa stock exchange companies worldwide, count by count, be it London, Germany, France, they all have to pay $1,000 billion. So I would provide a flat rate, okay, flat penalty financial compensation to be $500,000 billion. They have to direct deposit to my bank account. And who is going to help them in the wire transfer or direct deposit? It is at fault and found guilty Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis. It is okay if Germany wants to curse Queen Elizabeth II or Pope Francis. It's not my lookout. It's not my job. I never asked for Pope crap. I never asked for absolute monarch's crap. I never asked USA to create a robocall poverty mandate to enforce poverty to me. I never begged, no. Even if I would have begged USA, USA do not have the birthright to enforce poverty to me. So pay $5,000 billion. How cool is that, isn't it? It is the cheapest finance medical compensation that is provided for the damages done to me. Who are all Europe nations to create damages to me? Who is Italy Stock Exchange to create damages to me? I never asked for Italy Stock Exchange, no. If USA wanted Italy Stock Exchange, pay the price first. It is okay. Stand upside down and pay $500,000 billion direct deposit to my bank account. And who is going to help them in the for healthy finance secured transfer? At fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA. They'll have to say whether they know where is Italy, or they have to say they don't know Italy. They have to say whether they know what is Italy Borsa Stock Exchange, or they have to say they don't know what is Italy Borsa Stock Exchange. It's not my job. Pay $500,000 billion, please direct deposit to my bank account. Talk everything later. Even talk about everything later after 5,000 years, 500,000 years. Means I want to live free. I want to live a peaceful life. I'm so done with all kind of a crap of injustice being bombarded in different versions and crucifixions and bombarded on me. I'm just in enough is enough mode, my dear fellow mankind. For how long people will be throwing out the injustice on me? By the time injustice is seeing me, injustice will burn in ashes. My discipline is so cleanest. Right? Let Italy Stock Exchange break his head, go crazy and pay $500,000 billion to my bank account. Let Italy Stock Exchange go in ashes. I don't care. I just don't care. I will say otherwise get out in the volcano. I will only say Italy Stock Exchange pay $500,000 billion tax free to my bank account, or get out in volcano and get lost in ashes. That is what I will say to the Italy Stock Exchange. They cannot say, oh no, Pope Francis is God of USA. It is Pope Francis only created that. Oh no. The Italian government should have slapped on the face of Pope Francis and thrown Pope Francis already in the volcano. They never did that. That's a crime. Just because Pope Francis asked to create hell, okay, I will ask. It is okay if people are going to mock at me, right? What if Pope Francis asks the Italian government, a stock exchange, to eat the poop? Will they eat the poop? No, right? But then why on the earth they wanted to create poverty when Pope Francis asked them to create poverty? Who are they? Who are they to create a disability to me when I am an average civilian who wants to live a free life, healthy life? Why they have lost their minds? Why? Means Pope Francis destroyed even the Italy government's brains also. So crime is skyrocketing only. Pope will be thrown in volcano any second. Wait, watch and see. Wait, watch and see. I provided $500,000 billion finance penalty aid and slapped on the Italy Stock Exchange Borsa company, who never ever in their entire lifetime would have thought they will be in this kind of a civil justice with Vedapriya Prose providing in 2021. It's gone. Italy Stock Exchange will be sealed and shut down forever. Period. Simple as that. And for I displayed the absolute monarch scandal to the United States of America, I, Vedapriya Prose, want USA government to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India. You all got it now. Now why? Right? It is all for wisdom education, my dear fellow mankind. And yes, that building in Tamil Nadu, India should be renamed out of my name only, because I am the one who is educating all the nations who are the true criminals and displaying true criminals. And yes, I own all nations. And I want justice only. I do not want injustice. I do not like injustice. I don't know about my peers. I do not like injustice. My peers can live with it, deal with the injustice. I do not like injustice, and I will slap on the face of injustice, and I will burn the injustice in ashes. Who is injustice to create disasters to me? I never asked for injustice in earth. If Pope Francis wants to create injustice after injustice, then it just look out. It is look out. It is his choice. So he will be thrown in volcano. I will only ask you as a government, just throw Pope Francis in volcano. First step, do that. Let me provide more task later. This is how I will say. And yes, I, Vedapriya, must become the Vatican leader now. Pope Francis must resign immediately now, for he created a sexual immorality, deadliest crime of a statue in the Italy Stock Exchange facility. That is a crime Pope Francis provided. And he should resign immediately without any delay. Okay? USA nation must laugh out loudest, celebrate Merry Christmas loudest, to the extent that let Pope Francis' ears bleed pus. Oh my gosh, all the nations got the wake up call. Oh my gosh, all the nations knew the true meaning of Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, all the nations knows that mask of the Vatican scandal. Let him die. It's okay. And I want United States of government to be celebrating Merry Christmas now. Just celebrate it loudest. Let all the nations hear why USA alone is celebrating Merry Christmas in the month of February. Okay? I am born. That is enough for all nations. That says it all. And I, Vedapriya Prose, want as a Prose, must become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now, civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations Organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports, Exports, Department of Military. In all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, must get dual citizenship of USA, India now, in less than 1 microsecond, is civil justice served. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, this session went a little bit long, 1 hour and 21 minutes. Please be patient, because it's a very root cause level. I displayed the crime. Means people knows why finance services is broken in pieces. It's because of Italy stock exchange boards alone, nothing else. And I'm going to reveal more crime of Pope Francis. Wait, watch and see. He will be thrown in the volcano in Hawaii. Nobody has any birthright to create any kind of disability in any forms and avatars of fellow mankind. No. Even if the civilians begs civilians or governments, nobody has that birthright. And yes, for whatever damage is done by the Islam Judaism population to me, this $500,000 billion, this Italy stock exchange board is the cheapest financial medical aid to be provided to me. Let USA government stand upside down and help in the finance transaction, whether it to be a direct deposit or wire transfer. Let USA decide on that end. Okay? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, you are absolutely aware of why I am super frustrated with the injustice created on purpose for tax purpose. That is wrong. Get it? In true Christianity, only heaven mode, only happy mode, only people will live in peace that passes understanding mode, only cleanest love mode, only innocent love mode. They will never know how to hurt fellow mankind. There is never sexual immorality. There is never long list types of marriages. There is never rape. There is never gang rape. There is never sexual immorality. There is never serial killing. There is never genocide. There is never martyr. There is never flogging. There is never lynching. There is never discrimination. There is never slavery. There is never domestic violence. There is never hatred. There is never jealous. There is never male chauvinism. There is never controlling. There is never bossing. There is never unhealthy proud. There is never unhealthy hate. There is never unhealthy love. Right? You all got it. To live in cleanest love is only a way of life is true Christianity. Nothing fancy about true Christianity. It's not even a rocket science. Easiest way of living. Simplest way of living. Enjoy the natural creations. Enjoy the animal kingdom. How they live in harmony. Enjoy the plant kingdom. In fall, in autumn season, how different colors of the trees, they live in harmony, perfect harmony. The one fault color tree does not discriminate the other fault color tree and says, hey, you are a different orange color. See, you are a different yellow color. No, 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 don't stand next to me like that. No. They all live together in harmony. And how beautiful that autumn season gives that nature for the human eyesight. How many people love that, to enjoy that nature, to walk along that nature fall season, to walk by, to run by, to boat by that nature season. They never went to education facilities to get to learn how to live in perfect harmony, in peace that passes understanding. The evergreen trees are always green only. They never mock at the other fall colors trees saying, see, I'm always green. I am the coolest tree in the earth. No. The rose plant never mocks at the tulips saying, see, I am though the spring or a tropical plant, see, you are only short-lived. Only for 2 weeks you will be blooming. Then you will be gone for the next year, until next year. Like that, they never mock at each other. Tulips comes and rose flowers comes, sunflower comes. How people enjoy it. Right? So they never went to education facility. They never went to Harvard Law School or Harvard Medical School. No, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, wild animals, they kill other animals. That's a way of life. I already said they live life out of sexual immorality. And all the cues words are created out of that sexual immorality found in animal kingdom only. But we humans are never animals. No. We humans are created in a God's image and the highest privileged creations in the entire creation system. That is why a true woman only can lead a nation, means out of all the creations you name it, be it non-living thing or the living thing, sun, moon, stars, oceans, fire, oxygen, they are all non-living creations. Those are innocent. Then animals are innocent. Plants are innocent. Then came men. Men are innocent. But who is absolute innocent? Double wisest innocent means what? Who? It is a true woman. A personification of an excellent caregiver is women always. A personification of a true love is women always. In a true love creation life cycle, always a woman displays the highest level of true love, even at the cost of death. More love than men will be showed by only women to display the true love in that entire true love cycle. Men always only less than displaying love, also men is always less. Thereby, who's getting the highest honor? Is it women or men? Men is the wisdom. A true man is seen through a true woman. A mirror of a man is a woman after all. In true Christianity, a true woman wears the clothing of the true man in a true life cycle, in a holy marriage law mandate. And it is the same for man also. A true man wears the clothing of a true woman in a holy marriage law mandate. How heaven it is. That is how God created. That is how God created, my dear fellow mankind. There is never divorce. There is never man-made accidents. There is never man-made widows or widowers. There is never diseases. There is never cancer. There is never birth defects. Nothing. God said, marry in true love. Be in heaven. How simplest is that? Nobody can teach people to love or hate fellow mankind, my dear fellow mankind. That's the way it is. Parents can have n number of children. They cannot teach the children. That's how the way it is. Even Holy Bible cannot. It is just a user manual guide, healthy guideline, I would say. It is an excellent book of life indeed. That basic education is enough. For entire, until taking shelter in coffin, it's enough. Even beyond coffin, it's enough. That is how healthy guidelines it provides. But then, even in that book, this Pope Francis never left. He injected lots of toxins. I already said, you don't even have to go and fine for filth, sexual offense types anywhere. Just every crap of filth is there in the Holy Bible. I already said, when foolish people are going to read the Holy Bible, their brains will be damaged more. And I already explained how Billy Graham to all the Christian evangelists, they are all filth only. They are the absolute prostitutes after all. They are the absolute prostitutes after all. They destroyed human population brains, and I don't know how they have to fall down in knees and ask forgiveness from God. So yes, my dear fellow mankind, the way of living in true Christianity is super heaven, super heaven. Oh, that's how it should be. People should be laughing and singing and dancing out loud in clean love every single day, celebrating festival of love. Merry Christmas is what? It's a festival of love. It's a festival of true love. Why people likes only true love? Do you all know? Even the abusive patients, foolish patients, even they long only for true love. Because the true love is so super heaven. It stands out in the crowd always. That is why it is called as a true love. But even in that, people wanted to use the true love as a mask, and they were only providing fake love. And how many backstabbers, how many premarital sex providers, right? That's not love at all. But in the name of sex, in the name of love. Because people, even the society, the educated population, they have a definition for love. Love means sex. Sex means love. That is wrong. No. I was only one human in whole entire planet educated what is love, what is sex. Holy marriage law mandate is sex. In true Christianity, there is a definition for sex. Only holy marriage mandate law is sex. It's a true love between a man and a woman. God created husband, God created wife. Only must have sex. That's a sex. That's all. There is no other definition for sex in true Christianity. But what did Pope Francis did? Whatever true Christianity says for wisdom, they changed it. And that really traces to what? Islam, Judaism, Zionism, they live a sexual immorality life only. Even polygamy was created for sex addiction process only. And they want to legalize it. They want to create their own law, selfish law. So that is why all the men club in the end, most of the national leaders, they are saying the caregivers, no, they are not. If you see their laws, all created based out of sexual immorality alone. Even if they want to create a shame for a civilian, they will immediately say, oh, there is a sexual immorality, so impeach. Or make indict or whatever, convict or blah blah blah, whatever they have their own law verbiage crap, right? If you see, President Bill Clinton was impeached because of sexual immorality, and President Trump was never addressed about that. Now, in these two people, who is never innocent, President George W. Bush should have been the impeached one. Right? He's not a God. He's never a God. But he's been worshipped only as God. That is wrong. That is wrong. I already said, when in the prostitution life cycle, who is going to get slaughtered? Always men only going to get slaughtered, no matter what. So, can you all imagine, now you all got it, right? What is true Christianity and why non-Christianity is totally different? So that means what are the religions that comes under non-Christianity as of today? Even if it is getting beyond that longer session. Let's work on it. What religions comes under the non-Christianity today? Christianity is the first one. Boom! I know. All the Roman Catholic Christianity population are puking pus. Puke. I'll say just puke. It's okay. It is a healthy healing process because I'm a civil doctor. I know how to heal and cure foolish disease. I'll say puke. I will say for how long Roman Catholic Christian population have been saying rosary prayer. How long I know their fanatic love for Virgin Mary, Ave Maria. And I know their fanatic love for infant Jesus and the Sacred Heart Jesus and the Immaculate Heart Jesus. Let them puke, pass now. It is the deadliest paganism. True Christianity is never a religion. A religion is a poison. And why was a religion created at the first place? To destroy holy marriage law. One religion to another religion, civilians cannot express their true love. Even beyond all the discrimination and hatred and slavery, if at all they want to express their true love, they will be killed up front. They will be killed up front. By whom? Pope Francis, the God of USA. It's been happening forever. And why? Nobody fixed that. Because nobody knows the value of human relationship. Nobody knows the value of free, true love, which is priceless. How many lovers got destroyed? How many lovers worldwide got separated by enforcement? How many lovers were separated, enforced, and mandated to marry different people in the name of love breakup mode? In the name of sacrifice love. There is never sacrifice in true love. No. But what does the society and the educated population and the Pope Francis throws that lethal toxins to the human brains? Oh, if at all there is true love, there needs to be only sacrifice. Only then it can be classified as a true love. No, that is wrong. That is never sacrifice. The true love cannot share the true love. No. A man and women love is so purest in whole entire earth. There is nothing pure than a love between a man and a woman in a true love cycle. And who destroyed that? Worldwide? Pope Francis. Don't you all think he should be thrown in a volcano and gone in ashes? I already educated. The definition of Holocaust is only that. It was built out of that only. Separate lovers, enforce the humans to marry different wrong people, produce abusive population, foolish population, create hell for wisest population. These are all the programs that comes under the Holocaust service providers. And people were begging to those Holocaust service providers, don't do that, please. They never listened. Pope Francis, they never listened. And now he'll be thrown in volcano. And why on the earth USA lost its mind to allow the wild endangered species, the deadliest sex offenders, Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II and all the Islam leaders to live free? Why? Why they are not in the sex offense registry at the first place? What were all the doctors doing in the earth? Why on the earth they went to even medical school? I can even revoke all the doctor's license from entire Department of Health Services, foolish people. Are they humans in that world? Just because they are having a lifetime job, just because they are highly paid, salaried, if you're going to see a neurosurgeon, salary is highest. Yes, I totally get it that they are the ones who can do the surgery, the inpatient, outpatient surgeries, but then how it got abused without their knowledge even. So that means I only have to step in and I only have to guide the neurosurgeon, hey neurosurgeon, do provide the medical services like this. the way I want it to be means I have to step in and educate the medical doctors. So USA should not even delay signing of job offer to me. Right? Because neurosurgeon doctors don't know what they are doing. I have to step in and educate them. So you all got the answers. Why there is sexual immorality, why there is adverse sex, why there is Las Vegas Sin City, why there is divorce, why there is disease, why there is natural disasters, why there is plague, why there is famine, why there is poverty, why there is orphans, why there is refugees, why there is poverty, homeless. Everything was created by Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II. What is President Joe Biden going to say about that? You all tell me, my dear fellow countrymen, what is President Joe Biden going to say about that? Yes, Italy Stock Exchange Borsa. The how many years it was there? Forever. It will be sealed and shut down indefinite, immediate. And I'm sure, I'm positive, United States of American government will seal and shut down Italy Borsa Stock Exchange immediately, within less 1 second. They will listen only to me. They will never bother to listen to anybody. Got it? Yes, all the finance services must be in panic mode. I will say it is okay. Just work with the broken systems. It is okay. I will step in and I will create all the new design. Just be patient. If only USA would have allowed me to be the Supreme Judge on October 2018, those 2 years of law, healthy labor was wasted, mandated, right? I would have created the same design that time itself. But with the foolish disease of President Trump and Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell and Brett Kavanaugh, everything got destroyed. And are they going to pay the price? Can they pay the damages for the damages done to me? They stole my job. Who is going to pay the price for that? So Pope Francis only mandated the President Trump to create poverty for me means I will say Pope Francis paid tax-free $1 billion to me and President Trump just pay $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. That is civil justice to me. That's all. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, this crime which I am talking to you about in educating for a public mental health services and for birthright, yes, civilians should know about the scandal. Yes, civilians should know that Pope Francis is not a god. He is an absolute filth. Queen Elizabeth II is an absolute filth. They are the deadliest sex offenders. They should not be living in the earth after all. They are human endangered species. And who gave authority for USA to allow them to live free? I don't know. USA have to pay the price. There's more crime, medical billing on the list, It'll be super fun to watch how USA government going to stand upside down and pay the medical finance claim. Got it? And yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is a multitasking and this session went a little bit long because you all should know that the health creating organization, the Italy Borsa Stock Exchange, was created exclusively mandated for tax process and exclusively to destroy the holy marriage law, and that is why they have that sexual immorality, absolute vulgar, absolute filth statue right in front of the stock exchange. And Pope Francis' palace is few blocks away. He never bothered to provide healthy solutions. Is a proof of a live crime of Pope Francis. He will resign any moment. The crime is skyrocketing. Okay, so be aware for the good news that I cracked down all the scandal, right? Each and every single civil justice is a display of crime to the USA government. Is the Morse code, defense military mode is the wisdom. Got it? It looks like I'm signing the civil justice for myself, but it's a multitasking. Yes, it is also for me. I also need to get the financial aid, salary, rightful national benefits, job offer sign off, and then I will also get all the finance compensation for entire human kingdom. Wait, watch and see. Only 1 minute is enough for me. Okay. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now. Okay.